Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished professor, fellow participants of the International Conference on Social Science, ICONS 2025, and my estimate invite guests. My name is Daryani, and I'm currently pushing my master's degree in primary school education at University Muhammadiyah Purwokerto, Indonesia. It is a great honor and privilege for me to be here and to take part in this prestigious international seminar. Today, I am pleased to present my research entitled The Effect of Problem-Based Learning Model on Students' Critical Thinking Skill and Learning Achievement in IPAS subjects in Class 4 of Gandrung Mangu 1 Primary School. Chapter 1, Background of the Problem. Learning tends to be teacher-centered, where students are less active and less involved in learning. Learning that has not implemented fun and meaningful methods. Learning activities have not been facilitated well, especially in the use of interesting learning media that support effective learning. Low student learning motivation. Learning is limited to lectures and assignment, so students have less opportunity to develop critical thinking skill. Formulation of the problem. Based on the background that has been explained, the formulation of the research problem is as follows. Number one, is there a significant difference in students' critical thinking skill between those who learn using the problem-based learning model and those who learn using conventional methods in the natural and social science subject of grade 4 at Gandrumang 1 Primary School? Number two, how does the problem-based learning model affect student learning achievement in the natural and social science subject of grade 4 at Gandrumang 1 Primary School? Number three, is there a relationship between the application of the problem-based learning model and the increase in student critical thinking skill and their learning achievement in the natural and social science subject of grade 4 at Gandrumang 1 Primary School? Research purposes. Number one, to identify whether there is a significant difference in critical thinking skill between students who follow learning with the problem-based learning PBL model and students who follow conventional learning in grade 4 at Gandrumang 1 Primary School. Number two, to evaluate the effect of the problem-based learning PBL learning model on student learning achievement in natural and social science subject in grade 4 at Gandrumang 1 Primary School. Number three, to analysis whether there is a relationship between the application of the problem-based learning PBL learning model and the increase in student critical thinking skill and their learning achievement in natural and social science subject in grade 4, Gandrumangu 1 Primary School. Benefits of research. Theoretical benefits. The result of this study can provide scientific contribution to the development of knowledge about the problem-based learning model, students' critical thinking skill, and learning achievement. Benefit practical. For teacher, as a reference in developing and creating creative and innovative learning in elementary school. Chapter 2, Foundation Theory, Critical Thinking, according to Visual 211, 2024. There are six main critical thinking skills involved in the critical thinking process. Their skills are interpretation, analysis, evaluation, inference, explanation, self-regulation. Problem-based learning model. According to Shani, 2015, 127, problem-based learning PBL is a learning process that is carried out by presenting a problem, asking questions, facilitating investigation, and opening dialogue. Learning achievement. Kena 1985 40 state that learning achievement is divided into five aspects, namely intellectual ability, cognitive strategy, verbal information, attitude, and skills. Chapter 3, Place and Time of Research. Research place. This research was conducted at Gandrumangu 1 Primary School, Gandrumangu District, Cilacap Regency. Reset time. This reset was conducted in the second semester in May-June of the 2023-2024 academic year. Reset methods. This study used a quantitative reset paper with a pre-experimental design approach. Population and sample. Population. The population in this study were 60 students in grade 4 of Gandrumanguan Primary School in the 2023-2024 academic year. Sample. The researcher took a sample of 30 students experimental class 4B and 30 students from control class 4E. Data collection technique, cognitive domain instrument, test, questionnaire instruments, and observation sheet for student activities. Data analysis techniques, multiple linear regression tests. In order to test whether or not there is an influence of contextual learning on the results of critical thinking of students in integrated learning, the multiple linear regression test analysis in this study used the ISPIS program. Test. The test is used to determine the relationship between more than two variables. Chapter 4 Result Study Ability Think Critical E. Test Independent Based on result test independent, obtain mark significant as big as 0.00 less than 0.005. This shows that there is difference with significant between average mark performance study student on class experiment and class control. B. Average score value skills think critical. Average score skill collaboration student on class experiment 81.20 more than average score skills collaboration student on class control 60 65.00. This show that implementation on model learning problem based learning can increase skills think critical student. Performance study. E. Test independent. Based on result test independent, obtain mark significant as big as 0.00 less than 0.05. This shows that there is difference with significant between average mark performance study student on class experiment and class control. B. Average value performance study. Average mark performance study student on class experiment 89.97 more than average mark performance study student on class control 73.60. This show that implementation model learning problem based learning increase performance study student. Discussion. Number one, influence model learning, problem-based learning to ability think critical. The problem-based learning model has a significant influence on students' critical thinking skills, as evidenced by the results of statistical tests and the average post-test of the experimental group, which is higher than the control group. Number two, influence model learning, problem-based learning to performance study. The problem-based learning model has a significant effect on student learning achievement, supported by significant t-test results, positive regression coefficients, and the average post-test of the experimental group is higher than the control group. Number three, comparison group experiment and group control. The t-test show significant difference in critical thinking skill and learning achievement with great improvement in the problem-based learning group. Then the control proving the effective of PBA. Chapter 5 Conclusion. Based on result study, this can conclude that 1. All influence with significant to improvement ability, think critical participant educate, 1A lesson IPAS in class 4 in public elementary school the Gandrumang 1. 2. Influential positive to improvement performance to study participant educate, 1A lesson IPAS in class 4 in public elementary school the Gandrumang 1. 3. Use model learning problem-based learning effective in increase second aspect the compared to with method learning conventional. That's all and thank you.